Hey guys, Steve here. In this video, it's that morning again, I gotta hurry up and go to work. In this video, what I wanna do is I wanna go over the results of yesterday, which I'm shocked, right? This amazing results in one day of trying this experiment. So that means if it's working for me, it can work for you too. So what I wanna do is show you how you can use the My Lead Gen Secret platform to promote Clickbank products, right? So you know yesterday morning that I did, for the first time, I sent a Clickbank offer using one email blast to my whole list, which is like 63,000 leads, and I'll show you that in a minute. I don't know if the number's right. But when I logged in this morning, the results astonished me. So what I want to do is I want to establish the fact that I did do this yesterday, and I'm going to show you proof. So today is December 10th, and yesterday I recorded a video with December 9th. And I want to establish the fact that I did that yesterday so you can understand how easy it is and how you can reproduce the same results if your mind is right and if you're committed to doing it, right? So anyway, without further ado, what I'm going to do is show you today's date, and today's date is here. How can I do this? I got a huge screen over here, so let me pull this down. All right, let me minimize this, and let's do this. And let's do this. That's my Clickbank in the background. So today's date, I'm gonna hit refresh and establish today is 8:59. I gotta hurry up. I'm in Spring, Texas, and it's the 10th. So that's today's date. Now let me show you. That's done. I established this is today's date. Let me show you the video that I worked on yesterday and posted. This is the video I posted to premiere tomorrow because I always make my videos and premiere them in order, like so they come out every day, right? This is the video that I talk about how to make money online without a website, without a product, and yes, without an autoresponder. So that shows that, you know, this is dated the 11th because it premieres, but I did it yesterday, right? So that's that proof. And then the other proof I want to show you of me doing this is Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. So let me go to here, my timeline. I'm not sure who that is. I'm not sure who that is. My timeline here is, this is my Facebook profile, just so you know. Boom, that's me. And then scroll down. Oh, right here. So this is the video. I posted it on, the one you just seen on YouTube. This is the video I posted on my timeline. And I posted it here, as you can see, Thursday, December 9th at 3:37, because that's by the time I got ready. I uploaded it here anyway. So this is that video that established that, and then let me see if I can open it up. And as you can see, this is the video. Sorry, close this. As you can see, this is the email I sent, you know, and that was yesterday because I already established that date. And here is here's the Clickbank product, me walking through it. Here is the letter again, and I'm just showing you how to do it. So anyway, that's all I wanted to do is establish the fact that I did this yesterday on December 9th so I can show you the results that I received overnight, basically, right? I was about to say damn near. I said it. So anyway, damn near. I did it damn near yesterday. But so anyway, what I want to do is I want to show you, I want to log into my, I want to log into my Lead Gen Secret, show you the number of clicks and opens that I got, then show you the results that I got in Clickbank, right? Okay, so that's what I want to do. I'm trying to hurry up. Got to go to work. So yeah, I know it's after 8, and who works after 8? I know. I got a job. I can do what I want, basically. But anyway, check it out. So here. So here's my Lead Gen Secret, and of course, if you didn't know, you can get 100 leads a day for $30 a month, and these are buyer leads, as I'm about to show you, and I'm amazed at the results, actually. So without further ado, I'm gonna just jump in so I can hurry up. So I'm gonna log into my Lead Gen Secret. As you can see, I'm logging into my back office. Here's the email we sent yesterday. You can see it's dated 12/9, and I'm gonna zoom in. Look at the opens, right? Look at the clicks, 141. Just look at the numbers. So then here's the YouTuber did this. Here's the email I did. Here is the offer. I'm going to click on it one time to show you what the offer is. It's a social media, jobs, right? So that's the offer that I have in this link. And then on my my bottom link here, I said need leads for your business, and this offer is, of course, the My Lead Gen Secret, because I'm promoting both, and I explained that in the video that I did yesterday, right? So anyway, so that's what that is. That's amazing, right? So look at the numbers. Opened, 141 clicked, and 4% open rate, and you can see I sent to 64,700 leads on 12/9. Today's the 10th, and I already established that. So what I want to do is I want to jump over to the stats, right? So look at the stats. It's the lowest amount, right? 141 clicks. Here's where all the clicks came from. Check it out. These are all the clicks. It keeps track of that. Here's the email again, right? I'll show you the email again just as proof. Because I'm amazed. I just want you to know this is the email again. It was a simple email, straight to the point. So that's the numbers there, right? And I'm gonna do it again this morning if I got time. So then I'm gonna go to Clickbank, right? So now here's the Clickbank. Clickbank is an affiliate network that's free. You can freely promote any opportunity. You just create an account. You go through the login, and it's simple and all of that. You can find out how to do that. So here, check this out. Look at this. Look at my results. $151 overnight. Look at that. December 9th. Let me move this out of the way. Look at that. That's crazy, right? I'm amazed. My mind is, because I'm doing this again. I'm about to run it. Hold on. I'm about to run it. They don't understand. They don't understand. I'm like, okay, why have I been sleeping just on this method? I mean, I've been doing Warrior Plus on My Lead Gen Secret, and I keep forgetting about Clickbank, right? Because I do promote other affiliate offers, like 100% commission offers and different things like that. But I don't know, I just never went back to Clickbank after I made, I made a little bit of money like last year or whatever, and I was like, let me do something else. But anyway, let's go to the reporting, and let's see if I can minimize this. And let me see. I'm gonna try to. I got the screen's problems here, so let me do this. Let me slide this over here so we can see the whole screen here. All right. So as you can see, here's the tracking. But what's amazing is here's the social media thing. I got 92 hops, and look at this: 16% conversion. Initial sales 19. Upsell $136. Gross sale count 4. Gross sales $155. 100%. So you see that? And look. Let me slide this down. Oops. Where did it go? Well, here. Let me grab this and bring this over here. Look at this. It's like 82 hops, right? And I made a sale. I don't know what that means. 12-12. Oh, because no, that's 12-9. Sorry. Yeah, the dates. I'm not used to. That's old, some military date stuff. I know. I should know because I was in the military, but hey. But so here's this, right? 82 hops got me that sale. I mean, I'm amazed. That means it works, and you should be doing this too. Because why? You do what works. You follow what? How do they say it? Success leaves clues. And if I can do this on My Lead Gen Secret, $30 a month, free platform, Clickbank, and make $155 basically in one day, you can do it too. Let me zoom in. You can do it too. Right? Only you can prevent forest fire. No, but you can do it too, honestly. So you should try it. My Lead Gen Secret. Boom, as you can see, I'll come back again. Here's the results. Boom. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run it again. Because why wouldn't I? So I'll hurry up and try to do that as fast as matter of fact, yeah, I gotta go to work. So anyway, I just wanted to show the results. I'll send another email blast let me just do it so you can see. And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep it super simple. Okay. We're gonna go back to Warrior Plus. Okay, so this is the email again. We're gonna go over to Warrior Plus, not Warrior Plus, but back to Clickbank. You see, I'm trying to rush. When I try to rush, everything goes crazy, right? We're going to go to the marketplace here. We're going to go back down to e-business and marketing. We're going to go to, I'm going to search by gravity once again. So it pops up the offer. As you can see, here's my numbers, initial sales. Yeah, I think these are the stats, my stats. Yeah, I had 92 hops, 21 cents per hop. Initial sale was $19.24, and upsell was $136. Basically, that was one sale. Imagine if I got multiples. You know, matter of fact, I should run the same thing again, but I'm gonna try to do I'm gonna do a different email swipe. So let's go here, click there. Let's go back down to swipes, email swipes. Yesterday I did this one, who wants to hire you? So today I'm gonna go here. This one's a little long. I don't like long emails for whatever reason. I think it's just too much. That's even longer. Dang, damn it. I hate long emails. But they work. So I guess I'm just gonna go to email number 2. So here is the subject line. Be paid for something, for commenting on YouTube. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna put that subject line here. I'm gonna come back to this here, go back to my affiliate page. That's the pre-header. And I'm just gonna copy. I'm gonna copy this. 840 here. That's my emails from my work. I got her to leave here. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna copy that here. YouTube videos, comma, $840 per week, hiring 3 people. And then I'm going to come back to Clickbank here, and I'm going to copy all of this just like I did yesterday, right? And boom. And I'm going to come back down here. I'm gonna get rid of this, right? I'm gonna just do this, right? And see, they got a PS line here. You see that? I'm gonna put my name here. My government name. Then you see where it says hi name. I'm gonna scroll up here and grab first name. Here. Boom. And I'm gonna put that here for name. Boom. All right, so everything else is the same. Let me see if there's any place where they have the links already suggested right here. Hit this blue line to apply. I'll put my link here. I'll change up some other words here. Okay, so let's go here. First thing I want to do, I always do, is I come here and I change the formatting. I like the format to be like 16 or 18 because I can't see, right? And it says, and that's why they're hiring 3 ordinary people from, I'll put it right here, from your country, and I'm gonna put from the you dot from your country to answer those comments on behalf of them. So I'll just change that. So let's hurry quickly, just grab the affiliate link again. So now they have these things down here where here are the affiliate links. I can put my ID here, but I'm just gonna go back to the Clickbank page. Let's see. And I'll just hit back and just get the normal regular link from the proper way so you can see how to do it. So here's the thing. I'm just going to hit promote and I'm going to get my MLGS here and I'm going to generate hop link. I'm going to copy that hop link. I'm come back over to my Legion secret. I'm going to highlight this here. And I'm going to click the little link button and I'm going to drop my link here. Okay. And I'm gonna hit target, I'm gonna hit here, and I'm gonna hit new window, and I'm gonna hit OK. So that's where I put a link at. Now I'm going to, I always like to put a link up top, like I said yesterday. Want to make $840 per week just by commenting on YouTube? Yes. And I'm put, save the small talk. Oh, click. Skip the small talk and click here. Skip, and this I'm just adding a small talk and click here. I don't know. I'm weird. I just do. Like I said, don't be scared. This is you get 100 leads a day. You can do whatever you want. And I find that just by me being me and doing what I want, I get results that I guess I want. I do what I want. You know, I am who I am. So I click the link again, and I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna click the little link button. I'm gonna drop my link here, and I'm gonna hit V. and I'm gonna hit save. Oops, you know what I didn't do? Double click. I didn't do target. I like always open it up in a new window. That's just me, OCD, right? Then I'll hit the bold so they can see that. You know, skip the small talk. And then I'll also Control B, bold my name. P.S. You need to be quick because they're hiring only 3 people and we've already started getting a lot of applications. So in this link, I like to always put my offer, and I'm going to keep doing that because why not? I mean, that's just what I do. So I'm going to grab my other link for my other opportunity, which is a $100 opportunity. And I'm just going to click this button here, and I'm going to hold OK. And then I'm going to come back to it. That's just what I do. I'm sorry. I know it's probably not. You should probably just stick to the game plan, but this is my game plan. It's my game. I make the plan, right? So it says quick. You just need to be quick because they're hiring 3 people and we've already started getting a lot of applications. I'm gonna put otherwise. Click here for quicker commissions, right? Otherwise, click here for quicker commissions. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna highlight that. And basically, if you didn't see, I took this platform generates $100 instant pay. So what I do is I'm come here and I'm gonna click this little sprocket here. I'm gonna go here, and that's that. And I'm gonna come here, make sure it opens in a new window, hit OK. So I'll bold that, and that's just my secondary offer, right? So I got the Clickbank here, and then I have my $100 offer here. So that's it, right? So I come back up to the top, I check this, that's cool, and I'm gonna got my name selected, branded me. That's what I'm doing. I select all the leads, right? And it's 64,900 because I get extra. I get 200 leads a day. I'm gonna click perfect timing, and then I'm going to hit preview. Hover over my links real quick. Check here. Check this link real quick just to make sure it's good. Yep, that's 100% commissions, $100 a pop. This link is good. This is the social media pay. That is cool. And then that's that first link. That's this next link, and that's that. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. The preview's good, and I'm gonna click send email. So that's it. I'm done for the day. So there'll be a link in the description box or below this video somewhere to my lead gen secret. Like I said, it's $30 a month, and you'll get 100 leads a day. And there's also a way that you can get 200 leads a day by bringing on an affiliate, right? So if you're interested in that opportunity, I'll leave a link for that below. Also, if you need a viral list builder, I'll leave that in the link or comments below so that you can also get that and possibly earn 100% commissions with that starting for free. But anyway, that's all that I got. If you got any questions or you need any help, message me, comment below. But as always, is there something else? Nope. But as always, like, share, subscribe. Now I'm off to my day job. I'm out.